Alright, today Teacher Sunny will thoroughly discuss this particular problem that utilizes the tree diagram combination method. So, once you truly learn this very useful method, basically even third and fourth graders can also learn it quite easily, and they'll be able to effectively solve this kind of problem. Let's first carefully read the question. Has 140 win more than B? If A has more than B, that means B has less and A has more, okay? If B withdraws 60 yuan, then what about A? After A carefully deposits 60 yuan, what exactly happens then? At this point, A has 3 times as much as B. So the question is, how much money did A and B originally have? Alright, let's use a clear diagram to represent it. When we carefully draw these diagrams, we usually start with the smaller quantity first. Since B has a smaller quantity or amount compared to A, we will begin by visually representing B first. Let's utilize a simple triangle shape to clearly illustrate the specific amount that B possesses. This particular arrangement represents our initial scenario, the very first situation we are considering. Okay, so with this foundational understanding, we now know that A. What can we say about A in this context? A possesses exactly 140 wen more than B, isn't that right? Indeed, A still maintains that significant advantage of having 140 wen more than B. So, following this initial setup and understanding, what exactly constitutes the second scenario we need to consider? That is, if B just withdraws 60 yuan. And A is indeed this particular one. Yes, A is certainly this very one. This is A, precisely. It deposits 60 yuan. Can you clearly see it? Deposits a total of 60 yuan. At this precise point in time, A is exactly 3 times B. Alright, A is 3B. So what is A? This is just a simple question. We can write it this way. This is, after withdrawing and depositing, A will now be equal to exactly 3 times B. And what is B? B is this particular one here. Okay, this is indeed 3 times B, right? So then this is 3 times, exactly. This is 3 times. So you see, isn't this precisely the same fundamental principle as equivalent substitution? Now, let's carefully calculate it. 140 plus 60 absolutely equals 200. So here, we clearly have exactly 3 distinct triangles. Then we subtract 180 degrees in total. Then we subtract 3 60s. So we subtract 180 degrees in total. What exactly does that mean? It means that this particular, the balance on both sides, just take one away. It's still perfectly balanced, okay? So at this particular point in time, indeed, we will definitely get 200 plus 180, that's 2 triangles this year. Okay, in other words, 380 is equivalent to 2 triangles, so obviously 1 triangle is 380 divided by 2, right? That means half of it is 190. So this 190 means that B equals 190. B was originally 190, right? Because B is one complete triangle. After finding the value of B, you can then think about A and how it precisely relates to the overall problem. It's very simple because A is just one triangle plus 140 degrees. So one triangle is 190 degrees plus 140 degrees, which means we can easily find that A actually equals 330 degrees. Did you get it? If you did, please give Teacher Sunny a like and follow and share this with more friends so we can all learn together.